We've got a new project, and we've got some new wheels and tires. And yes, we do sniff these ones too. They do smell good. Let's see what Henry's up to today. Henry, what you up to? Oh, he's posing for the camera. This is our new project, and it looks like he's been busy today, putting on the wheels and tires. If you've not done so already, please like and subscribe and join us on the other side. Welcome to Henry's RC Garage. We have our new project in the garage today. The Vanquish Products Fordyce ready to run trail truck, rock crawler. We're going to be transforming this over time. I've had this truck now since I think it was the early to mid fall of 2023. When I got this, I have been collecting parts over time since then. So for the past maybe 12 months to 14 months since I purchased this. So anyway, there's a few things we're going to be doing to this. We've already done one thing. We've already changed out the tires and wheels for these ones here. So with that, we replaced those Falcon Wild Peak MT tires that came with it. These are the Riot beadlock plastic rings or wheels. And we changed out the foams as well. So these are like the very stiff. So I'm kind of putting a lot of pressure on that. Whatever. So anyway, we put on the Yokohama Geolander XAT 4.65 tire. These are the red compound. I believe Vanquish has these. These are licensed because it says Yokohama on it, so it would be licensed. With that, we paired them up with the KMC Impact wheels. These are the clear version. We put on Scarn rings. These are blue. We put on the Omni IFR ring, and the foams we used were the Vanquish 2-stage foams. I believe these are called the VTS Stance dual stage foam. These are the 4.65s. Yeah, so the tires themselves are 4.5. The foams are a little bigger than that, 4.65. They seem to be, they pair pretty well. Don't see really a big issue here. So with all that, we're going to try and do some other things to this. Not try, we're going to do. I don't try anything around here. I just do it. So anyway, what I want to do is I want to lower this down a little bit. I want these links, these lower links, to be as flush to, or parallel, not flush, but parallel to the ground as much as possible. Just lowers the center of gravity, lowers that transmission down, lowers that motor down. So anyway, with that, we're going to change out the center gears in the transmission to the machine gears. We're going to also change out the ring gear and locker, which is a one piece. That's a standard version of their ring gear and locker. So it's all one piece. We're going to change that out for a better one, for the machine gear one. And with some other things we're going to do to it, we want to change this drag link out. To me, it looks like it's kind of thin. I don't know how well it'll work when it hits rocks and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the same ones that are coming on the discontinued Phoenix straight axle kit, and then the portal kit that they still have also comes out with the thicker. They're kind of like this thick here. I mean, they're more beefier. So we're going to change that out. Along with a few other things, we're going to play with the shocks. Like I said earlier, we're going to try and lower it down a little bit. Just bring that center of gravity down so it runs a little better when you're trailing or you're rock crawling. So all that, so you're not top heavy. I mean, we're just going to let it come down a little bit. A few other things. We got the drive shaft, electronics we're going to work on. Again, I mentioned the axles. We're going to work on those too. I'm going to put the Incision 2 light kit in here. So we have some lights. I also did some 3D printing as well. I 3D printed this little rack right here. We're just gonna put that on. I got all the parts for that. We're gonna put that on, so it looks pretty good, huh? So did a lot of 3D printing. Printed out in PLA at I think it was a 30% infill, and then these are the mounts that will go in there to mount that to the bed. With all that, I'm hoping you'll join me in this journey over the next several series we're going to have on this transformation. Again, we're calling this the Fordyce Transformation Build Series. So anyway, if you have not done so already, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.